Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this text animation. So it starts from behind the object to in front of the object. It's really cool. You're just going to select the video and just right click copy, right click paste. Then select text and add in your default text. I'm just going to type in the word jogging. And I'm also going to change the font as well. You don't have to change the font, and you can also change the color again if you'd like to. Maybe I'm just going to go with kind of the same theme as her outfit, and I'm going to select it and have it till the end of the timeline. Then you are going to select the video and add it on top of the text. Go to cutout and select auto cutout. Then you're going to select the text and copy and paste it and put it on top of the video, but you're just going to put it halfway through or here. And then right click and then select create compound clip, and then here is where you're going to go to basic and you're going to add a keyframe on the blend mode, and you're going to start with 0% and then gradually make it 100% so it creates this really cool effect. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!